What is going on, guys? My name is Zeus7. Today we're going to be doing a first modification. We're going to be doing the first modification to the Mazda Speed 3. I'm probably already cringing you guys out because they're like, God damn it, dude, it's not a modification. No, we're going to be doing some maintenance. This is the first thing that we're doing to the car besides detailing it. I've already detailed it. So the car went through for an inspection before I bought it, and we found the engine air filter, the airbox filter, was a little, was actually pretty dirty. So today I'm gonna quickly run down to the store, my auto store, and grab a K&N flat panel filter, throw that in, and we'll see if we get some more turbo noises, because this thing makes nothing for turbo noises, and we'll just get better airflow into the motor because the filter's, you know, pretty dirty and it needs it. So let's head down there, grab the filter. Let's start today's video. Okay, so I just got the filter. Here she is. If you guys want to get one, I believe that is what the code is. I just went up and asked the guy, you know, Mazda Speed. He's like, Mazda 3? And I'm like, no, Mazda Speed. And for all you Mazda 3 fans, she's still here. She's always still here. So I'm gonna let this cool down for a bit because I boosted a couple times on the way home, so it's probably a little toasty. For the meantime, let's unbox this sucker. I think I've had like 20 K&N filters in my entire lifetime. So this one doesn't look as greasy as my Mazda 3. I got stickers, yo. Gotta put that on the Mazda 3. Mom wants a sticker thing going up the middle, so we're gonna have to make a sticker wall. I don't know about stickers for this thing yet. I don't wanna go ahead and do something dumb and then not like it. All right, there you go. Let that cool down for a minute, and we'll start taking it apart. And like I said, guys, you gotta remember too, I'm learning as well. I know maybe a lot of you guys with Mazda Speeds are probably like, oh, do this, do that. And like, if you guys wanna like help and stuff like that, I would highly appreciate it, but please, I'm learning. I came from a first gen 2-liter, and now I'm on a second gen Mazda Speed, okay? So I'm learning as we go. It's part of the process. My mom just did the first mod on the Mazda 3. That looks pretty cool. I was always thinking about doing a steering wheel cover, but I didn't like them just because I don't like how they perform, but that actually kind of fits it. All right, this is cooled down enough. Let's get going on this. That's it? Wow, all right. That was pretty easy. Literally, so there's 2 pins down here. Actually, it looks like there might be 3 that kind of slide in, and then there's the 2 things that hold it, which is actually kind of cool. You guys can see it is relatively dirty. I don't think it honestly, I don't know, it's kind of clogged, so we'll throw that away. I'm gonna grab the vacuum and vacuum inside there. New and old, pretty freaking nice. Yeah, this is pretty clogged up. And that is that. So that's basically how you change the filter in your second gen Mazda Speed. Definitely don't think I was getting any good performance out of this thing. Let's start this up, see if we get any more suck noise. So it's 31 degrees. I am sweating. You guys are bouncing everywhere. That's the stiff ride. This stiff ride of the Mazda Speed. Here we go, boys. Okay, so just from that pull, I think I got a little bit of a more, I could hear it sucking when I was putting my foot into it. So what can I say so far about the K&N flat panel filter in the Mazda Speed 3? I think it's getting a lot better airflow, which is good. And I think it makes I think it makes it sound a little more beefier, which is also good. So I'm glad that was one of the first things I did. Now we got fresh air going into the motor. We don't have to worry about a little old air filter. Alright guys, that's the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. We gotta do an oil change. I think I'm gonna do an oil change probably maybe I'll do it next week. I gotta do an oil change because I don't know when he did it last. I didn't ask him. So I gotta swap it into the oil that I wanna pick. If you guys have any suggestions for oils that you guys run on your Mazda Speeds, let me know. I think Rotella is a big option. Maybe even Motol or something it's called like that. We'll see what I put in it. But if you guys have any questions about today's video, let me know. Comments down below. But other than that, my name is Zeus7. I'll see you guys in the next one. Keep on vibing.